Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video in the series of basic calligraphy course. In this course, you'll be able to learn basic calligraphy in 21 days. That means 3 weeks. So this is day 2 because this is the second video. In previous video, I told you about the types of calligraphy and tools needed for this course. So let me begin this video by briefing the roadmap of this course. So there are 3 weeks in total. In first week, you're gonna learn the basic strokes. In second week, you'll learn letter formation. And in the third week, you'll finally learn word formation. Okay, so in order to learn the basic strokes, you first need to learn about the lines on which you're gonna make those strokes. So to write a word in calligraphy, you need these guidelines. First, let's look at a simple word to get this idea through. So this is the word curse. So as you can see that all the letters in this word are of the same height. So these letters are between these two lines. So this height of the letters is called X height, which is the distance between these two lines. Now let's look at another word. So this is the word welcome. As you can see that all the letters in this word are of the same height except the letter L. All the letters are touching only two lines, which is, we know that X height is X height, but the letter L is also touching a third line on the top. So we know that this is the X height, and now this third line which L is touching, it is called waistline. So far we know about these lines. This is X height and this line is called waistline. Now let's look at another example. So this is the word flower. In this word, you can notice that all the letters are between the two lines, which is the X height. The letter L, except the letter L and F. So letter L is touching a third line above it, and F is also touching the third line, which is the waistline, and it on the bottom it is also touching a fourth line. So this line is called baseline. So this line we know is waistline. This is X height, and this is baseline. So to write a word, we are using basically 4 lines: 1, 2, 3, and 4. The middle 2 lines is the X height, and the line at the bottom is called baseline, and the line at the top is called waistline. Now you know the 4 guidelines on which we will practice our basic strokes of modern calligraphy. But what are those basic strokes? That you'll find out in the next video of this series. Until then, take care and stay tuned. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and to hit the bell icon. See you soon!